Huh, 8 years, 8 freaking years back, I wish I could have known few things which I'm going to share with you all in today's video. 8 years back, there was not even a single person who came to me and said, Jaya, this is how your life is going to be. This is how you have to face it. There was no one, but I have found it by myself for the past few years, and I'm ready to tell you and share those things with you all because this is going to be a great life lessons also for you, and this is going to help you in your life also. So if you really want to know about what are those things which I wish I would have known 8 years back, please do watch this video till the end. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on The Expound. Let's get into the video. The first one is not being so selfish. Yeah, I was that kind of a person who just used to care for people. Like if some random person comes and talk to me for 10 or 15 minutes, I start caring about that person. I feel like, okay, how can I help that person? What all the things which I have to do so that that person can feel better? I used to think that, and I don't care about how they are going to treat me. I think that is the huge mistake which I have been making for the past few years. But after completing my school life, when I shifted to some other places, I realized that people are not going to be with you throughout your life. You might help them, you might care for them, but they might never come with you till the end, and I regret for it till now that why was I so free that I just used to help lot of people and did not expect anything in return. And yeah, of course I used to feel sad that okay, I'm giving this much to these people, but why aren't they giving the same to me? And it's the same when you help people. Mostly people say that when you are helping other people, you should not help them in this mindset that they will help you in return. As I've said before, that you have to be selfish. Yes, because if you're not being selfish at some point in your life, at that correct point in your life, you will lose yourself and you won't be able to move further from that. That person whom you're helping, he will, take your help and then he will leave. He's not going to be with you, but you are the person who is ending up getting hurt and getting heartbroken. I don't want you to experience the same which I have faced in my life. So all I want to say is that you have to be perfect. You have to be selfish and selfless as well, according to the situation. And the second point is importance of language. Yeah, this topic might seem little boring for you because I know that this was even boring for me 8 years back, but now I know how important that is to know languages, to know to speak fluently and confidently. And also I never thought that the language which I didn't even know to speak a single line, I'm teaching people for that. I'm making people aware how important that is. So life can be totally changing. You never know what is going to happen in the future, but for the present time you have to be there and you just have to take up any challenges and you have to work on it. And the next one is studying and getting good marks is not enough. When I was in school, I used to think that the success means getting good marks. I can only reach the success in my life if I'm able to get 100 out of 100 marks. But then now I see that there are few of my friends who study so well, but then they are simply sitting at home idle, not doing anything. So at this time, when I was around, like when I was in 6th standard or 7th standard, I used to think that if I don't study well, I can't do anything, I can't survive in this world. but now it's totally different, because I don't think that education is the one which you need in order to succeed in life. So I'm not telling you that you should not study and you should get 0 marks out of 100, then only you will become Bill Gates or other people. It's not like that. It's all about how you are using your brain to earn money in certain field. And the next one is, do not feel sad just because your parents are scolding you. Yeah, several times I know that when I was in school, I used to get shoutings from my dad at least twice a week, I think. I mean, I don't used to count these things and all, but it used to happen regularly. So after my dad scold at me, I used to think that I did a huge mistake. My world is going to end. What am I going to do? How am I going to correct this mistake? So I used to start overthink a lot, and then I used to be like, okay, fine. Now my world is going to end. What am I going to do? And I used to feel so depressed, and I used to regret it, that why am I not good? Why am I not good so that my parents or my father can appreciate me instead of scolding and shouting at me? And after listening to their scoldings, I used to think that I'm not capable of being their child. I'm not having enough talent with me so that I can make my parents proud. I am not enough. I'm making a huge mistake. So I used to blame everything on myself, and I used to be so sad as hell, because at that time I did not know that other things are also important. I just used to think about their scoldings, and I used to keep on repeating that points in my brain, and I used to overthink a lot. But now I realized that they scold us just because we need to improve, we need to be according to their expectations. So it's just that the advice is turning into an anger and they shout at you. It's just that it's not like they don't like you, and that is the reason why they are shouting at you. You should ask questions to yourself, and then you have to improve yourself and show them that you are capable of doing anything in your life. So I just want to tell you these things, guys. I wish this was helpful video. Whatever things you feel about this video, please feel free to comment down in this comment section, and please feel free to subscribe this channel also, because this will really help me in making my dream come true, and making my goals come true, and making my everything come true. And I'll be so happy if you subscribe this channel. And I'm gonna watch this video after like 2 years or 3 years, and I'm going to think about what all extra points I could have added in this video. I'm sure that I'll make another video after a few years. I don't know how my life is going to be. I think nobody knows about it, how our life can change. So thank you so much, guys. Please wait for that video after a few years, which I'm going to make.